All right, y'all, it is Saturday, super cold in Texas day today, getting to be cold tomorrow, even more. But today's day 10, January 24th. Let's go back to day 9, event 1. We did 23 yesterday. I replaced the rear ride height sensors, so got that done and in. And they're over here, probably can't see the darn things, but the little jobbies that are back up in here. Good to go on both sides of the rear. Today, the push rods actually came in from old Brian Tooley Racing. I don't know if those ordered in, so I put those on. Got the rocker arms on and torqued. Got the valve covers on. Got the exhaust bolted to the heads. Got the intake in. Got the spark plugs in. So that's what you're looking like now. Everything's looking pretty. Coming along. We're almost there. We're almost there. Still gotta get that alternator bracket on here too tomorrow. Get the fuel line connected, all that good stuff. But everything's going good so far. All right, thank you. All right, day 11, 25 January. Got the coil packs on. What else? I got the spark plug wires on, alternators on and hooked up. Coolant was getting filled up, and I noticed there was a leak. So here we go. We got all the spark plug coil packs all that on. Alternator good. The serpentine belt is on. Went to go put the coolant in the reservoir, turn the filter up there, and started leaking. Found out there was a leak behind this head back here. Came out from a little small hole. So either I missed a plug somewhere or it didn't come with a plug, so I'm trying to figure that out now. Yeah, the stock ones did not have a plug in that area. So this is what we talked about here. This is the driver's side front here, and the back side from here where the coolant is coming from. So I got to figure out why they're doing that. And other than that, I would have been ready to start up this joker today and see if it ran a little bit, but now that coolant's leaking out, that has gone goodbye. All right, so I'll do an update whenever I figure out what was causing that. All right, bye.